Today I'm going to be talking about 5 types of food that cause constipation and irregular bowel movements. After conducting extensive experiments on myself and with people of various body types, as well as the experience of knowing my own body, 5 foods I'm about to mention are the primary cause of constipation in almost everyone. Some of these foods have a greater impact on certain types of people than others. However, in general, these 5 foods have a negative impact on bowel movements and may cause constipation. So if you're experiencing irregular bowel movements or often constipated, I recommend you watch this video until the end and avoid these types of food for relief and improved bowel movement, which can have a significant impact on your health and vitality. The first one is cheese. For the majority of people, cheese, particularly the higher fat kinds, had a significant effect. When compared to unnatural fatty cheeses, natural low-fat cheeses had little impact on most people. According to reports and my experimentation, people react differently to different types of cheese. Number 2, white bread. Either packaged with preservatives or freshly baked, but improperly with low-quality ingredients. Every baker counts. Number 3, too much potato and fries. Excessive potato consumption can be an issue for most people. It was indeed the cause of weak bowel movements after the experiment. Number 4, junk food with additives and preservatives. Junk foods, packaged foods containing additives, unhealthy oils, preservatives, sweet baking goods containing a high amount of sugar and butter. Most fast foods and most other junk foods have a significant impact on the body, causing toxicity and irregular bowel movements. Number 5, fried, greasy, and oily food. Consuming greasy and processed foods may increase the risk of constipation and bloating. These meals are high in fat, low in fiber, and high in salt, preservatives, and sugar, all of which can interfere with digestion and cause constipation. Junk and greasy foods are high in fat, salt, and sugar, all of which dehydrate the stool, making it dry and causing constipation. Conclusion: these 5 foods that I mentioned have 2 things in common. They are all low in fiber and have a detrimental effect on the body and colon. The impact on your bowel movement and health is determined by a combination of these factors, as well as your regular diet and digestion level. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.